Okay, let's take the Mantis Q for a few test flights today. Here is the Mantis beside a Mavic Air. First, we watch our Android phone screen as we give voice commands to take off and then land the Mantis Q. Notice at the top of the screen the microphone icon is spinning. This means the Mantis is ready to receive your voice command. Take off.
Takeoff, please confirm.
Yes. From another viewpoint, we'll watch and listen in. Here we do a short follow me mode. Using any automatic landing mode, you can use the right joystick to position the drone above where it should land. Let's do a quick 4K video followed by a 1080 video for comparison purposes. Do you see the inset box in the lower left corner? This may be where future maps can be accessed. .1080 video, as you might expect, is much smoother than the 4K video. Also, moving the drone faster seems to result in much smoother video. here is that actual 4K video clip. This is the actual 1080 video clip. Let's try gesture and face mode now, although I personally see little use for them. Okay, so far so good, huh? Number 2. Number 3. Okay, number 4 did the trick, but frankly this is quite useless. More useful modes are journey and point of interest. Let's take a look. Journey simply starts out close to you and takes off back and up and then back down again. Point of interest is like a carnival tilt-a-whirl gone crazy. I like it. The Mantis Q is apparently good at following almost anything. Mantis 4K really shines in photo. This is enlarged from the last picture. Yes, Virginia, there is a real Baza Cat